take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. The standard inquiry to the client's attorney should be prepared on the client's letterhead, that's correct, and signed by one of the company's official, of course, because it's the company and the attorney relationship, and should include what? List including pending or threatening litigation. Should they include this? I would say yes. So we keep A, we keep B, we keep C. We could eliminate D because definitely they have to include that. The amount of legal fees paid by the client to the attorney. Do we have to disclose this in this client's attorney? No. Remember, we are going to look at the legal expense. As auditors, we would look at the legal expense GL. We would examine the legal expense, and we want to know how much they are paying in legal expense. But they don't have to include, they might have, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different lawyers. We would look at the total, but in that letter, we don't have to put the amount. They don't have to tell you how much they are. It's irrelevant for us. Therefore, 2 is out. If 2 is out, then C is out because C includes 2. So we're down to A and B. Should it include asserted or unasserted claim or assessment with which the attorney has had significant involvement? Now you have to be careful whether it's asserted or unasserted claims. I mean, it's baseless claim. Regardless, as long as the lawyer is involved, they have to include this. So 1 and 3 is correct. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Now on Farhat Lectures, what you can do, you could first ask AI to explain the question, give you a little bit more of information before you answer. Then you could ask AI to elaborate on the correct and incorrect answer choices. Then ask AI to create a similar MCQ for you to practice more. What should you do? Whether you are an accounting student or a CPA exam candidate, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Visit Farhat Lectures. Go there now. Look at additional multiple choice, podcast, lectures, AI CPA questions, practice exercises, and simulations. Invest in yourself. Good luck. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.